Hello everyone. Retouching the skin is one of the most important part in Photoshop. Acne spot removal, dark circle removal, retouching the skin that helps your image to get more attention. In today's video, we will see how we can simply remove the acne spot and retouch the skin. So anything further ado, let's get started. Here is the image. In this image, we will only remove the acne spot because the image is already retouched and soft enough. So let me do that. First, I will create a duplicate of this layer. So you need to click Ctrl and Z from your keyboard. It will create a duplicate layer. Now you need to choose spot healing brush tool to remove the acne spot. Where you get that spot healing tool, you need to go this icon in your left side, and from here you need to choose spot healing brush tool. In top you will get its property. In here you need to first check this box if it's unchecked. Then in type section you need to choose content aware. If you don't know about content aware, please watch my previous video. In that video you will get the actual use of content aware field. You will get the video details in I button. In this case, content aware do the same kind of job internally. Now you need to resize the brush. You have already choose spot healing brush tool from here. Now you need to resize the brush. By using third bracket from your keyboard, you can increase or decrease the size of your brush. You can also use its property. You can go here and you can change the size. Make sure the hardness would be in between 50 to 60. So let me choose 50%. That's fine. Now you just need to click on every acne spot to remove it. So let me show you. So here is the acne spot. Let me click here. Depend on the acne spot, you can resize your brush. So let me small it. It is a time consuming process. So let me just fast forwarding it. So here is the before and after. So you can see the exact skin without acne spot. Now we will see how we can retouch the skin using high pass and blur. In this image you can see here, you can see also the acne spot, and also the skin texture is not proper. You can see. So in this case we also do the same thing. First we will remove the acne spot. So how we can do that? First we need to create a duplicate layer of this background layer by clicking Ctrl J from your keyboard. It will create a duplicate layer. Then I will do the same thing. I will choose soft healing brush tool from here. Choose content aware. Sample overlay is checked. Let me remove the acne spot. In this case, I will remove the larger amount of area where the acne is mostly visible. So I cannot remove this small part. So I will only remove the big portion like this. Yeah, you can see all the big spot of acne is gone now. Now we need to do a retouching here. How we can do that? First you need to select layer 1, then create another duplicate layer of it. by pressing Ctrl J from your keyboard. Now then from here you need to choose vivid light and then Ctrl I to invert this layer. You can also use image adjustment and invert. So after inversion done, then you need to go filter, other and choose high pass. You need to slide this bar till your acne spot get dissolve. So let me increase. You need to keep increasing till the acne spot is getting blurred out. Let me show you. You can still red and skin color is here, so let me increase it more. It's also a little bit present. Let me increase more. Yeah, 47 looks perfect to me. Let me put 50. Okay, now in the using the same layer you need to do Gaussian blur. So what you need to do, you need to go filter, then blur, then Gaussian blur. In here you need to slide the bar till the acne spot visible. So let me increase it. You can see it's getting visible now. So let me decrease it. It's also visible here. Let me put 8 and click OK. Now you need to select this layer, then hold Alt from your keyboard and then select on the mask icon. It will create a opposite mask. In masks, white marks indicate that the effects applied on that area only, and the black marks indicate the effect is not present in that area. So in this case, the whole layer is using black marks. That means the effect is not applied here. So let me show you. You can see there is no change. If I reverse or inverse these black marks by pressing Ctrl I, you need to select that mask, not this one. You need to select that mask, then Ctrl I. It's white. So you can see the effect applied everywhere. But in this case, we just need to apply the effect in the skin tone only, not in hair, not in eye, not in lips, not in the dress, only the skin tone. So how we can do that? We need a black marks over there. So let me again inverse it. So you can see no effects has been applied yet. So from here you need to choose a brush tool, and here you need to choose a white color. What I said, like white color means the effect will be applied or will be visible only that area. So let me repaint that position. You can see the skin is getting smoother now. You can increase or decrease the smoothness or the flow also based on your requirement. Always try to paint in the direction wise. Nose has this kind of direction, so you need to paint like that way. Eye like that way, this position like that way. So you can see here is the before, here is the after. So you can always play with the opacity. based on your requirement. So it looks fine to me. So that way you can easily soften or retouch any skin. So that's all for today. In this channel, I share a lot of techniques of Photoshop. So if you want to learn those techniques, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notification of this channel. Hope you liked today's video. In case of any doubt, do reach out to me by putting a comment on the comment box. I will try to resolve your doubt as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. We will meet again with some new topic. Till then, keep learning and keep editing.